So guys, for today's video I'll be showing you how I do my Jamaican style curry goat. So here I have my curry goat here. We get a clear peach once I put it in another bowl to start seasoning up it. But basically this is what our curry goat looks like. So here I have a bit of, we get the curry goat, wash it off, clean it up, and put it in the fridge. And here I have it now. I'm going to start my seasoning process. So guys, to get a better view of my goat, here it is in this bowl here. Now I'm going to start by adding I'm going to add some black pepper to it for flavoring. So guys, I added my salt and pepper for seasoning. I'm going to then continue. I'm going to grate some seasoning here have. So guys, I just grated some ginger and turmeric on my curry goat. I'm going to add some thyme. I'm probably just going to add some scallion as well. Some scallion. And I'm also going to add some pimento seeds. I'm going to crush them and add my pimento seed. You see it when I finish. So guys, here it is. I managed to get my pimento seed crushed. Just sprinkle that on it. And we're going to also add some dry thyme. So we had some fresh thyme, but we're also going to add some dry thyme. And also going to add some dry thyme later in the pot while we're cooking it. So that's basically it for season of. Oh, how is the curry goat if you don't add some curry? So I'm going to add some curry powder. Guys, I did eventually add some curry powder to the curry goat. So we're getting ready to add it to our pot once we finish burning the curry. Jamaican curry goat that we're about to do. So when I stir it, I'm just going to take it, add it directly to the pot, and then allow it to cook. I'll show you that process, and then from there allow it to cook, and then we'll come back to see when to add the water and so forth. So showing the process, and then after that we'll come back. So guys, this is my pot. Before I put it on the fire, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I added some oil to my pot here, and then going to add 2 cloves of garlic and thyme just to flavor the oil a bit. I'm going to add 1 sprig of scallion, and also I'm going to let it cook for a bit, and then I add my curry seasoning to the oil. So I'm going to put it on the fire, and then I'm going to show you the next process. So guys, this is my pot outside, and my garlic has started to caramelize. So I have my curry powder. We're doing this on Jamaican style, so we're going cold stove method. We're going to add our curry powder to it. So we're going to let the curry burn, and then from there now we'll add our curry goat. So this is how we're going to do it. So guys, here I have it. Oh, let it cook. Let's start with the preview. This is what you're looking at. This is my curry goat. I'm gonna add some more water to it, but this is what it looks like so far. Here. So guys, just to take a little review of what is going on. So this is my curry goat. It's still on the fire cooking. Add some more water. I'm just taking my time, gradually more and more water until it's finally cooked. It may take a little while for it to cook. So just juke it to see if it's soft. Once it's soft, then we can add our onion, carrot, and those stuff like that. So just a little update on what is going on. This is how it looks. Right, so you know, curry goat. So we're getting along. So guys, we know add our carrot, seeds, our potato, pepper, all those stuff, and then we're gonna allow the curry goat to cook down. So at this point, we just add our seasoning, and then we leave it to cook down. So once it is nice soft, we're gonna allow it to cook down the seasoning. So guys, that's it for my video for today. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Got to create one of Jamaican's favorite dish. So we'll do the Jamaican style curry goat. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Jamaican cooking videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.